Hi, in this video we'll take a look at candlesticks. The candlestick is a fundamental indicator that shows how the price moved during a specific time period. Thanks to candlesticks, you can see the price level where the period opened, how high or low the price went during that time, where it failed to hold, and where it finally closed. Each candlestick represents a time interval based on the time frame you are currently using. So when you are using, for example, a 15-minute time frame, each candlestick on that chart represents a 15-minute period. If you are using a 4-hour time frame, for example, each candlestick on that chart represents a 4-hour time period. There are two main types of candlesticks, bullish and bearish. A candlestick is bullish when it closes above the level where it opened. On the other hand, a candlestick is bearish when it closes below the level where it opened. This is a clear visual representation of how bullish and bearish candlesticks are formed. You can see that they look very similar. The only difference is in the opening and closing prices. As I mentioned earlier, in a bullish candlestick, the closing price is higher than the opening price. In a bearish candlestick, it's opposite. The closing price is lower than the opening price. As I previously mentioned, candlesticks also show you the highest and the lowest prices reached during the time period, even if the price didn't stay here. These are represented by the wicks or shadows above and below of the candlestick body. When the price reaches a certain level during the given period and then pulls back, it leaves behind this wick, also called a shadow. Later in the course, we will look at volume distribution within these candlesticks, so basic concepts like wicks, bodies, and bullish versus bearish are very important. I currently have a 15-minute time frame open, and as you can see, each candlestick represents a 15-minute period. If I switch to, say, 5-minute chart, each candlestick will represent a 5-minute period. If you enjoyed this video, I'd really appreciate it if you give it a like and subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to check out our website where you will find comprehensive crypto order flow course all in one place and for free. The link is in the description of this video.